Hello everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's session, I will walk you through our nifty e-commerce ROI calculator. But before diving into our calculator, allow me to help you understand why is it an important KPI and how you can optimize your e-commerce ROI. Essentially, e-commerce ROI tells you how much money you're making back for every rupee you spend on marketing efforts, like those on social media ad campaigns. Hence, it is called e-commerce return on investment. Technically, it's the ratio of your profit to your marketing and operational cost. So let's look up with an example. Imagine you're a company selling fitness trackers and you recently launched a social media ad campaign that went viral, which resulted in surge of website traffic. That sounds like a plan, right? But did that traffic translate into actual sales? It could or it may not have. So here's where your ROI comes in. Because not all clicks are created equal. A campaign might generate tons of website traffic or maybe gain you visibility. But if those visitors aren't interested in buying or translating into your customers, it's a waste of resources, right? Or probably not best investment of your resources. So let's say you're running two ad campaigns, one on social media and one on search engine for the same product, which is your fitness tracker. Now, by tracking down your ROI for each campaign, you can see which platform brings in more customers at a lower cost. And then you can shift your budget accordingly, maximize your return, or maybe optimize your campaigns. Now, let's extend our example to the calculator to understand with the input fields. So here you'll require two input values, which is the total revenue that you have received and the total cost that you've incurred for your product. So there are multiple KPIs that need to be considered while computing the total cost. I'll walk you through our table how we've come to this example. So here I'm taking two examples, two use cases. So the first scenario is I want to compute e-commerce ROI from social media ad campaign. So let's say the total revenue I've generated is 100,000. So how I've come to this calculation is the average order value is 1000 and my average sales unit sold is 100. So my total revenue would be 100,000 and the total cost, which includes cost of goods sold, marketing spend and additional operational expenses. So let's say my total cost from social media campaign is 35,000. I'll simply hit compute and I'll get the ROI value, which is 185.714, a significant ROI, which is a good number. On the other hand, total revenue generated from Google search campaigns, let's say, is reduced to half, which is 50,000, because let's say my sales unit were relatively less or reduced to half, which is 50, and average order value is 1000, so total revenue is 50,000, and total cost that I incur on it is, let's say, 25,000. Again, I'll have to consider factors like cost of goods sold, total operational cost, and marketing ad spend, and I hit compute. So e-commerce ROI is 100%, which is again a significant ROI but relatively lesser than my social media ad campaign. So if you are interested how I've come to these matrices for each campaign's social media and search campaign, you can look up at this table that we've created here. So it will give you a better picture. A split of a table I've created for you. Search and social media average order value, then the units sold, the revenue that I've generated, and the total cost that I've incurred from the campaign. You can take a snapshot of this table for your reference to understand how we've computed the value. Then let's go back to our calculator. Right. So once you get the ROI calculation over here, so you can track down and you can analyze two things from here. So you can either shift your budget from your Google search campaign to your social media ad campaign, because that's relatively generating better ROI than search campaign, or you can optimize your existing search campaign so that you get better e-commerce ROI. So that's wherein ROI comes into importance because it allows you to make decision, it allows you to make a better choice. You might choose to increase budget for social media campaign or refine your existing search strategy. So you can try out our e-commerce ROI calculator now by following the link in the description. And if you're looking for a growth partner, book a consultation with a growth hacking specialist. Check out the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to help you optimize your online business. Thanks for watching.